Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. Today I am going to discuss about the polyamine and also the biologically important amines. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can see the future video also. So now I am going to share my screen so that you can see the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so biological amines and polyamine. So polyamines are multiple in which there is a multiple amino group is there, and biological amines, they are formed from the various amino acid by the decarboxylation reaction. So I will see like important biological amines are histamine, and how this histamine is formed from the histidine, basic amino acid. Histidine is converted to histamine. Here the CO2 group is removed and the enzyme is called decarboxylase, and here the coenzyme is vitamin B6 pyridoxal phosphate. Okay, same way glutamic acid is converted to gamma amino butyric acid with the help of decarboxylase enzyme and PLT. So this is how the important biological amines are formed with the help of decarboxylation reaction and vitamin B6. So formation of histamine, GABA, tyramine, all are the important biological amines. So you can see here glutamate is converted to GABA, histidine is converted to histamine. Okay, and they are very important hormones or neurotransmitters are formed with the help of decarboxylation reaction. Okay, so like dopamine, okay, which is synthesized from the tyrosine, norepinephrine, all these are synthesized from the tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine. You can see my video about the important products that are formed from the tyrosine. The link for this is given just above. Okay, so they are the important neurotransmitter which are formed from the tyrosine. So they are nothing but they are important biological amines. Then tyrosine is converted to tyramine by the decarboxylation reaction. Then serotonin, melatonin, they are formed from the tryptophan. So you can watch my video about the tryptophan metabolism. Link is given just above. So this GABA, tyramine, histamine, all are formed by the decarboxylation reaction. Okay, and all these are the biological important amines which act as either hormone or neurotransmitter. Now this polyamine, they are spermidine and putrescine. Okay, so we will see about that. So what are these polyamine? They are biogenic amines having multiple amino groups. Okay, this word is important. They are having multiple amino groups. Like example are putrescine, spermidine, and spermine. Here they have a positively charged, so they will attach with the negatively charged nuclear DNA. Okay, they are present in high level in the semen, so they are given the name like spermidine and spermine. They will act as a growth factor and cell proliferation. They will regulate the transcription and translation. So stabilization of intact cells, subcellular organelle and membrane, and transport of specific substance like open certain channels. So these are the important role. Main role is in the growth factor and cell proliferation and regulation of transcription and translation. Okay, now we will see how these polyamines are synthesized. So they are mainly synthesized from the arginine. Okay, so we have seen in the urea cycle, arginine is broken down to ornithine and urea. So with the help of arginase enzyme, it is converted to ornithine. Okay, now this ornithine is decarboxylated to form the putrescine. This is the first polyamine. Okay, now the S-adenosyl methionine is decarboxylated by the SAM decarboxylase, and it is converted to S-adenosyl methiopropylamine. Okay, there is a propylamine group is there. Okay, and propyl, this is propyl group and this is amino, so it is called as the S-adenosyl methiopropylamine. Now this S-adenosyl methiopropylamine is added to the putrescine, and you can see here this group is removed. Okay, adenosyl methyl group is removed, and this group propylamine is added. The enzyme is propylamine transferase. Okay, and it will form the spermidine. So you can see here this NH3 and CH2 group is added. Okay, and here this is NH, and this will combine to form CH2 4 and NH3. This is spermidine. So from putrescine, spermidine is formed with the help of S-adenosyl methiopropylamine. And again, this to the spermidine, again S-adenosyl methiopropylamine is added to form the spermine. Okay, here enzyme is propylamine transferase. This is how biosynthesis of polyamine takes place. So we will again revise. So arginine, which is converted to ornithine. So ornithine will be the precursor ultimately. Now with the help of ornithine decarboxylase enzyme, it is converted to putrescine. Okay. Now here S-adenosyl methionine is decarboxylated to S-adenosyl methiopropylamine. Okay, and they will react with the putrescine and form the spermidine. Enzyme is here propylamine transferase. Okay, and this spermidine again propylamine transferase. So this S-adenosyl propylamine methiopropylamine is added to putrescine and also to the spermidine, and they will form the spermine. Okay, and because they are present in high level in semen, that's why the name is given like spermidine and spermine. And what is the role? We have seen that their role, because they are positively charged, so they can bind with the DNA and they will regulate the transcription and translation. Okay, they have a very important role in cell growth and proliferation. They have a very important role in stabilization of subcellular organelle and membrane, and also transport of specific substance, because they are open certain channels they are present. So this is about polyamine. There are increased amount and activity of ornithine decarboxylase when cell divide, and drug that will inhibit the polyamine synthesis, they can be anti-cancer drug. So the anti-cancer drug that can inhibit the ODC enzyme, they will inhibit the polyamine synthesis. And polyamine and derivatives used in the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. If their putrescine level, putrescine spermidine level is increased, it will suggest whether the cancer cells will help in prognosis of the cancer cell. Like kidney, bladder, and prostate cancer, there is a high level of urine and blood putrescine and spermidine. Okay, so their level is decreased, then it is a good prognosis marker. If their level is high, then it is suggestive of cancer activity. It is a bad prognosis. So this is how this putrescine, spermidine, spermidine will help. So this is all about the polyamine and important biological amine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel, okay, and press the bell icon so that you can see the future video also. Thanks again for watching. Bye.